Hi all, welcome back to my channel Pharma Bliss. I'm Vijayashree working in the Department of Pharmacology, Vistas. I'll be discussing about scope of anatomy and physiology. The topic discussed under this are the definitions of anatomy and physiology and the subdivisions along with the structural level of organization in human body systems. Coming to the course objectives, after studying this course, the students will be able to apprehend the knowledge on basic human body systems and relate their functions. Also, they are able to illustrate the structural organization of the body. Let's see about definition of anatomy. It is the branch of science that deals with the structural organization of living organisms. It is also concerned with the study of internal structure of organisms and their parts. Next, about physiology. It is the scientific study of functions and mechanisms in a living system. It focuses mainly on how organisms, organ systems, individual organs, cells, and biomolecules carry out their chemical and physical functions in a living system. There are two divisions of anatomy. One is gross anatomy, the other one is the microscopic anatomy. Gross anatomy is the study of anatomy at the macroscopic level. It deals with the form, location, and relations of body parts, external and internal, and that are visible to the naked eye. Under gross anatomy, there are three subdivisions. One is surface anatomy, which is also called as superficial anatomy. It mainly involves the study of external anatomical features without dissection. The second one is the regional anatomy, which is mainly focused on specific external and internal regions of the body and how different systems work together in that region. The last one is the systemic anatomy, which is mainly focused on the anatomy of different organ systems such as respiratory or nervous systems. Microscopic anatomy is the another subdivision of anatomy. It involves the study of minute anatomical structures on a microscopical scale, including cells and tissues. Under this microscopic anatomy, we have two categories. One is cytology, the other one is the histology. Cytology is the study of structure and functions of cells, whereas the histology is the study of organization and characteristic features of biological tissues. Next, moving on to the subdivisions of physiology. Under the subdivisions of physiology, we have cellular physiology, organ physiology, systemic physiology. Cellular physiology refers to the study of various cell activities. It helps to understand the cellular activity, organ functions, and disease that inspires the development of new treatments. Whereas the organ physiology refers to the study of functions of the body in which physical and chemical phenomena are involved. Systemic physiology refers to the study of specific organ system and their functions. It also deals with the study of effects of disease on system functions, functional chemistry of cells. Structural organization of the body. Life processes of the human body are maintained at several levels of structural organization. These include chemical level, cellular level, tissue level, organ system level, and the organism level. In the chemical level, the atoms bond to form molecules with three-dimensional structures, whereas in the cellular level, a variety of molecules combine to form the fluid and organelles of a body cell. A tissue level is formed when a community of similar cells forms a body tissue. An organ level involves two or more different tissues combined to form an organ. An organ system level is formed when two or more organs work closely together to form the functions of a body system. Whereas an organism level is formed when many organ systems work harmoniously together to perform the function of an independent organism. Next, we will look into various human body systems. Under this, we have integumentary system, skeletal system, muscular system, nervous system, cardiovascular system, lymphatic system, respiratory system, digestive system, urinary system, endocrine system, reproductive system. First, we will see about the integumentary system. It covers most of the outer layer of our body. It involves the study of skin and various appendages like hair, nails, glands, and sensory nerves. It provides the barrier and protects the body from high temperature and also from harmful substances. Next, about the skeletal system. Skeletal system provides the body's support structure and also it gives shape to the body and allows movement, makes blood cells, provide protection for organs and also stores minerals such as calcium and phosphate. Skeletal muscle system. It is an organ system that allows the body to move, maintain posture and circulate the blood. Next, about the nervous system. It involves the study about the brain, spinal cord and a complex network of nerves. It also reacts to changes both inside and outside the body. Its main functions include reception of general sensory information such as touch, pressure, temperature, pain, vibration. It also receives and perceives the special sensations such as taste, smell, vision, sounds. It also involves the integration of sensory information from different parts of the body and processing them. And also it responds to the response generation. Next, about the cardiovascular system. Cardiovascular system involves the network of organs that includes the heart, blood and blood vessels that circulate throughout the body. It usually works along with the circulatory system. The main function of the heart, it acts as a pump and also sends the blood throughout the blood vessels to deliver the oxygen, nutrients and other important substances to the body cells. Next, about the lymphatic system. This involves the study of large network of lymphatic vessels, lymph nodes, lymphoid organs, lymphatic tissues and the fluid called lymph. Its main role involves it drains the fluid that has leaked from the blood vessels into the tissues and also empties it back into the bloodstream via the lymph nodes. The main function of the lymph nodes or lymphatic system involves it keeps the body fluid levels in a balanced condition and also it helps to defend the body against various infections. Next, we will look into the respiratory system. The main organs involved in the respiratory system are lungs and the airways such as trachea, bronchi and bronchioles. And also it includes the diaphragm muscles, voice box, throat, nose and mouth. The main function of the respiratory system is to breathe in the oxygen and breathe out the carbon dioxide. Coming to the digestive system. The digestive system consists of the gastrointestinal tract and the accessory organs of digestion process. The digestion involves the breakdown of the food into smaller particles until they are get absorbed from the blood and also assimilated through the rectum and anus. We'll see about the urinary system. It mainly consists of kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and the urethra. The main function of the urinary system is to eliminate the waste from the body and it also regulates the blood volume and blood pressure, control the levels of the electrolytes and metabolites and main involved in the regulation of the blood pH. Next is the endocrinology. Endocrinology is the study about the endocrine hormones, which is nothing but a chemical substances released by the body. And it also involves the study how to control the body function through these hormones. The reproductive system. It is a biological system that includes the organs involved in the sexual reproduction. The male reproductive system produces the sperm, while the female reproductive system produces egg cells, and it also nourishes the fetus until birth. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to share this video among your friend circle. Thank you once again.